What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I want to come back with a system that I've been using for 3 years now. Okay, I don't promote it as a primary business, but I do use the system, the tools, okay, that it comes with. And I want to show you this system because you can see with this system, you're going to learn how you're going to make take a $50 investment. Okay, it's $50 every month, but how I've turned $50 into over $10,000 with this system, simply sharing the system. Okay, wasn't even promoting it as a primary business. Okay, most of the pages and the funnels I have, I've built in the conversion pros. Okay, and folks want to get those same pages, so they get my share code, they replicate the site, okay, with a copy and paste of the share code, and they create a duplicate of what I've already created. So I'm able to get folks to sign up. That's how they're able to sign up. Okay, they sign up, they can start for free, but if they upgrade and decide, hey, you know what, I've checked this thing out, it's a 14-day free trial, I like what I see, I do want to go ahead and upgrade, pay the $50 so that I can earn these $25 unlimited commissions. Okay, so with this system, that's what I've done. It's $50 a month, guys, but everybody that signs up with you and they upgrade and pay the $50 a month, the company partners with you. They make $25 a month and you make $25 a month. That's residual income. Okay, now they pay out every Friday. Okay, every Friday. They've been paying out what, for 7 years now. Okay, so this is not a new program, not a new system. All right, so from the affiliate perspective, all right, so check this out. Start 100% free. Yes, you get free access, okay, for 14 days, but you can't earn on a free membership. It's not even a paid member. You're a trial member. Okay, so until you actually pay the $50 and then you refer someone, that's when you would get paid, but you can't earn on the free trial. All right, so want to show you guys this really quick. When you join as an affiliate, they already have all the funnels set up for us. We don't have to create any pages for the affiliate side. Okay, and the company does all the autoresponders for us. We don't have to set up an autoresponder for the affiliate side. It's already done. Okay, so I want to show you that. All right, the link is in the description. Take a free trial. They're not even asking you for a debit card or credit card, okay? But if you want to upgrade, you have to personally go in and put your debit card or credit card in there and upgrade to a full paid member, okay? So 14 days, you get to try this thing out. It also comes with an app, which is pretty cool for a marketing system. There was one other program out there that I saw, a marketing system that came with a app, but that's not typical. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That's dope to have an app with your marketing system. That's included. It's not extra. All right, so let's go take a look. I'm gonna log in. I'm gonna show you guys where all the links are for the affiliate side of this program. All right, so let's take a look at that. All right, guys, when you log in, okay, what you want to do is go to affiliates right here. Click affiliates and you click right here, my websites. They have already coded these to you. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to create these funnels. They're already done for you. So just click my websites and voila, as you can see right here, my username that I created is coded to all of these sites. The company created these. I didn't create these. You don't have to. These are replicated. Okay. So here is one of the main sites. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10. Okay. You'll mostly see me use this one. This is the one I like mostly. right here. But here is, as it says, landing pages and sales funnels. See, they're already done. So all you have to do is share your link. So this is the one I like. Okay, right here it says become an affiliate partner today. Here's a video right here you can watch, 1 minute. Okay, get access to the funnel. Right here is testimonies from affiliates, okay, that have made money with the program. Then they go into right here what it's all about. No cost to join, access to leads. You also get access to leads, guys. These are people that's interested in making money online. Okay, they pay you weekly, as I said before, and you get all these funnels. Right here it shows you there's an app. Okay, all you got to do is download it. It's for Droid and iPhone. All right, unlimited autoresponder. And see right here, this is where folks will enter their information. And guess what? The company has an autoresponder already set up for this. We don't have to set this up. This is for the affiliate side. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. Unlimited capture pages. And if you want to set up pages yourself, they have the drag and drop systems, the marketing side. It's really easy to maneuver with that. Okay, and then unlimited autoresponder, as I said earlier, residual income of 50/50 affiliate partnership with the company. It's $50 a month for this program. When folks pay their membership every month, the company gives you $25 and they keep $25. That's a real partnership. They just split it down the middle, right? So as long as they keep that membership, you're going to get paid over and over and over and over again. Okay, so if someone signs up with you today and pay the $50 to the company, next Friday, the company's going to send you $25. Now, they have a debit card that you can get through the system, or you can just simply have them deposit your funds into a bank account. Okay, very simple, very easy. Okay, this program, there's some testimonies here. I like this system because it's very easy to use, and not just for me. I've learned it, very well, but the new folks have found this to be an easy system to maneuver, okay, and to navigate. So definitely check this out. The link is in the description. You can get started for free for 14 days. But I want to reiterate that because I've had some folks sign up, but on the trial, as long as you're on the trial, you cannot earn any commissions. You must be a paid member, okay? So once you pay your $50 and you start sharing your link, and someone signs up, then you can make $25. You're positioned to receive that. Until you're a paid member, you can't earn any commissions. Yes, you can share your link and folks can take the trial, but if they decide to upgrade, you're going to miss the commission because you're not a paid member. Okay, hope that makes sense. If you have any questions about it, please give me a call. Okay, all right. So let me show you. Show you some of the earnings that I've made with this. Like I said, a $50 investment has turned into over 10K. Check it out. Okay, right here, as you can see, all from a $50 investment. Okay, now what happens is when you get folks to sign up with you guys, right? Think about if you've got two people that's paying, two members that's paying the 50. That's covering your 50, right? Where you're not coming out of pocket, it's out of profit, right? So that's kind of how that works. So when you sign up, guys, and you in these other programs, share with your members, your new partners, your link for TCP, okay? They may be interested in the marketing system, okay? And then that way, all your team members will get the program. And then, again, you're not coming out of pocket for the 50 because it's being covered by your members, okay? Just two people maintaining every month under you, okay? That covers your $50, okay? Hope that makes sense. Now check it out. This is what happens every week. I receive these emails pretty much, okay, to show that, hey, you got paid. It's Friday. Check it out. Okay, see the conversion pros. Pandora, congratulations, you got paid. This is what they send you if you're getting paid on that Friday. Okay, so this goes on and on and on and on. Okay, guys, so get started. Check this thing out. You can get started for free. They offer the free trial because they want you to test the system, get access to the system so you can see for yourself without having to pay. Does this really work? Is this something I'd really be interested in? Am I gonna like it? Let me see how user friendly it is. You get to test it for a whole 14 days with no credit card required. So that's what the trial membership is for you to take a tour of the system, for you to share your link with others as well so they can take the free trial and say, hey, this looks like something I may be interested in or not. Okay, but you get to do it risk-free without any money coming out of your pocket. And in the interim, if you decide, hey, you know what, I think I want to do this, I like the way this is set up, let me go ahead and pay my 50 bucks. Now, when I share my link and my other folks decide they want to sign up, I can make $25. Okay, unlimited 25 bucks, guys. All right, so system sells itself. The company's doing all the selling and telling for you with these videos and this page. It sells itself. Okay, so go check it out. Link is in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My info is in the description as well. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Thanks, guys, for checking out the video. Be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.